Welcome to a $185 million futuristic gigamansion, where liquid architecture redefines absolute luxury living.
Look at the insane scale of this gravity-defying estate, seamlessly blending massive sweeping curves with the natural landscape.
This insanely massive drawing room features bespoke liquid obsidian seating that perfectly matches the continuous sweeping titanium walls. The primary living lounge expands like a living organism, boasting zero sharp edges and unparalleled billionaire-tier opulence. Step inside the breathtaking grand foyer, where colossal organic ceilings and flowing light ribbons completely eliminate sharp corners. Check out this mind-blowing master kitchen featuring a gigantic liquid titanium island with stunning polished emerald green accents. Dominate your empire from this ultra-exclusive home office, featuring an insane, gravity-defying obsidian desk and sweeping views. This absolutely colossal master bedroom features a sprawling circular bed framed by breathtaking liquid titanium and seamless ceilings. Experience absolute elite relaxation in the master ensuite, with an enormous polished emerald green tub merging into walls. Witness this mind-blowing sculptural staircase that floats seamlessly upwards, without a single sharp edge or traditional support structure. This insanely massive immersive cinema features colossal custom-tiered seating integrated into sweeping acoustic walls for ultimate screening nights. The indoor pool lounge is a colossal bio-futuristic oasis surrounded by towering liquid titanium arches and absolute privacy. Treat your guests to ultimate elite luxury in a VIP suite featuring seamless walls and stunning emerald highlights. This massive multi-story home library boasts beautiful curved obsidian shelves that integrate seamlessly into the liquid titanium architecture. Behind the scenes sits a spectacular hidden prep kitchen, boasting seamless matte obsidian cabinets and absolute high-tech efficiency. Practice your swing inside a world-class professional golf simulator room, surrounded by sleek liquid titanium architectural framing. Even the guest bathrooms scream extreme wealth, with spectacular emerald stone vanities flowing out from liquid titanium walls. This unbelievable indoor landscaped garden atrium brings nature inside, under an immense curved glass dome of epic proportions. The master walk-in closet feels like an elite boutique, featuring massive curved glass displays and polished titanium trimming. This epic casual media lounge features an insane custom curved obsidian couch, facing a massive integrated screen. Fuel your day at this ultra-luxury espresso bar, crafted entirely from highly polished liquid titanium surfaces. Look up at these mind-blowing integrated LED ribbons, weaving seamlessly through layers of glowing liquid titanium ceilings. Relax inside this bio-futuristic steam room featuring beautiful curved obsidian benches and soothing integrated emerald lighting. The secondary master suite boasts a stunning platform bed, flowing naturally out of fluid emerald green walls. Even the powder room showcases absolute billionaire wealth, with a floating liquid titanium sink and seamless architecture. This colossal indoor spa shower features an incredible rainfall system integrated into flowing emerald green stone walls. This massive family bedroom suite features custom organic bunk beds seamlessly built directly into the titanium walls. Check out this jaw-dropping auto vault displaying multi-million-dollar supercars surrounded by polished obsidian and glowing floors. This majestic music performance lounge boasts a spectacular custom grand piano, matching the liquid titanium architectural curves. Relax upstairs in this spectacular family lounge, where continuous flowing titanium structures create a perfect cozy sanctuary. This stunning breakfast nook features an organic liquid titanium dining table, seamlessly blending with the floor and walls. Indulge in absolute elite wellness inside your private treatment room, featuring a spectacular carved obsidian massage table. Sip rare vintages in this magnificent tasting lounge, defined by polished obsidian counters and flowing architectural light. Even the laundry room screams billionaire status, with high-tech appliances flush-mounted inside seamless titanium cabinets. Unwind completely inside this breathtaking indoor pavilion, with magnificent sculpted obsidian daybeds flowing from the floors. This ultra-luxurious feminine bedroom suite showcases beautiful emerald stone accents and sweeping liquid titanium geometry everywhere. Ensure absolute peace of mind inside a high-tech security hub, featuring an insane curved wall of monitoring displays. Experience concert hall acoustics inside this custom audiophile room, with premium speakers built directly into the flowing walls. Every single guest bedroom inside this massive gigamansion delivers unparalleled elite comfort and spectacular flowing architecture. Walk through this spectacular endless corridor, where seamless liquid titanium walls and glowing light ribbons guide your way. Check out this jaw-dropping curved glass wine vault, displaying rare vintages against a luminous emerald green backdrop. Find your absolute inner zen inside this tranquil meditation room, boasting soothing organic shapes and warm ambient illumination. This insanely sleek butler pantry provides massive hidden storage disguised behind gorgeous flush-mounted matte obsidian cabinetry. At night, this monumental estate completely transforms, as glowing emerald ribbons pulse through the dark obsidian structure. Pamper your guests in an incredible ensuite, featuring a freestanding liquid titanium tub and flawless organic geometry. Marvel at this monumental custom light installation that flows from the ceiling like waves of molten liquid titanium. This seductive romance room features custom circular daybeds, beautifully recessed into deep matte obsidian and velvet walls. The game hall features a jaw-dropping custom pool table, resting on a sculpted liquid titanium base structure. Ride between floors in this stunning glass capsule elevator that climbs seamlessly alongside massive matte obsidian pillars. Relax beside the indoor pool on this custom obsidian lounge deck, defined by spectacular fluid titanium arches. This gorgeous vanity room features highly polished liquid titanium counters and custom mirrors with glowing emerald backlight. The service kitchen extension boasts ultra-high-end appliances flawlessly integrated into continuous matte obsidian cabinetry structure. This opulent second guest bathroom showcases a beautiful monolithic emerald green stone basin floating from seamless walls. Marvel at this custom indoor showroom displaying rare elite heavy motorcycles parked across hyper-glossy matte obsidian floors. The indoor terrace lounge delivers spectacular, expansive panoramic views through towering, opaque, smart glass curved perimeter walls. This expansive children's study space features custom parametric desks built seamlessly into flowing liquid titanium architectural walls. Look through sweeping internal glass walls into a colossal climate-controlled indoor orchard filled with thriving nature. Even the climate control vents are beautifully customized into continuous flowing liquid titanium ceiling folds across the estate. This massive, organized pantry storage room offers incredible custom shelving elements sculpted directly into smooth obsidian walls. Relax inside this spectacular private sitting lounge featuring custom obsidian sofas flowing naturally out of liquid floors. This massive service corridor features sleek, matte obsidian doors flush against continuous liquid titanium wall structures. Behold these insane, bespoke, parametric furniture pieces meticulously crafted from liquid titanium and polished emerald stone. The indoor lounge seating area delivers ultimate billionaire comfort, with beautifully contoured couches under warm lighting. Train hard inside a world-class home gym, featuring custom premium equipment surrounded by flowing titanium architecture. This colossal party room boasts a magnificent liquid titanium bar island illuminated by pulsing emerald green light. Even the mudroom entry showcases absolute elite luxury, with handle-free obsidian lockers and seamless resin floors. Escape to this beautiful indoor botanical zen garden, highlighted by thriving green flora and polished titanium pathways. The private service stairs boast a sleek, continuous matte obsidian design, completely removing all traditional sharp angles. This grand indoor dining extension lounge features a massive sweeping table perfectly framed by opaque smart glass. Look down from the majestic upper-level overlook to witness the absolute colossal scale of this fluid masterpiece. This incredible entry transition hallway features fluid architectural folds that guide you into massive entertainment zone. Even the private staff quarters display unparalleled elite luxury, with beautiful seamless finishes and organic styling. This final mind-blowing pullback reveals how every single space flows perfectly like a living, breathing entity. Conclude the tour in this epic Horizon Lounge, displaying the absolute ultimate peak of futuristic billionaire lifestyle.